Hey my friends, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna talk about the 7 seconds rules for public speaking. Public speaking most of the time is so scary. Even while sitting in front of the camera, I feel very nervous. I'm gonna put myself in the public. That sounds so hard. And if we follow the 7 seconds rules, we'll make it much better. What the 7 second rules means? Yeah, we will feel anxiety, feel nervous. It only takes first 7 seconds. As long as we can handle the first 7 seconds, we will present a great presentation or we will make a great speech. Actually, the theory behind it is use the first 7 seconds to warm ourselves up, or warm the audience up, or give our space to feel calm. Next, I'm gonna see how to do it. For example, before filming this video, I say something randomly before actually started. This is how I did it. Let's get started. Hey my friends, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna talk about the 7 seconds rules for public speaking. Then I jump into the topic. It make me feel much better and feel more relaxed. Also, we can use this technique in our day-to-day conversations. For example, when we try to facilitate a meeting with a bunch of people in the maybe Zoom meeting, we are doing presentation and share the screen. You use the first 7 seconds just to talk with people, check, can they see our screen clearly? Is the font size enough? We've done all those kind of checks. It already takes 7 seconds. We feel calm already and jump into the presentation or maybe the speech. It will be much better. Cool, this is the 7 seconds rules, and use the first 7 seconds to warm up the conversation. Yeah, that's it. This is about the 7 seconds rules for presentation. Thanks for watching. See you next time.